We have a new coloring book, and it's magic markers. And I like to paint like color, and I like my new skull. My favorite thing there was painting a sunflower. And had a good day of school, and Mommy packed the clothes, and I wore my new dress and my new shoes. The end.
Good story. Are you going tomorrow?
Are you going?
No. I'm asking you. You don't have to ask Nana. Are you going to school tomorrow? Sophie, you going?
Yes, I'm going to school tomorrow, Nana.
And you're excited?
And I'm excited.
And did you do your homework?
I did my homework.
All right, go girl. You just spilled a drink.
Yeah.
Say bye.
Bye, Nana.
Look at me. Look. Say bye.
Bye, Nana.
Okay.